Hey, this is James coming to you. We're about ready to take off Ventura Sport Fishing. We're going to take a trip out here. We're going to go on the Amigo. Boat holding 20 people. Going out on a lean cod special here. And with a bunch of guys from the neighborhood. When we get on the boat, I'll probably get a chance to introduce them and see who's doing what. But anyway, we'll get back to you when we get out there. We just dropped in here. We're fishing off of Santa Rosa Island. Santa Rosa Islands. Yep. Fishing it. Around 700 feet. I don't know what's up. Well, like see, I'm already tangled with my mind.
All right.
Yep. Oh, just drifting that way. Everybody's drifting that way. Take it on the right hand side of the boat. Both got that damn thing on there, huh?
Rubber bow.
That's me. That's little there he is. Double. Only one. Look how he's double. We put it down. That's all right, I don't care. Well, I have to bring my stuff up here. Well,
Hey, both of those fish right now, Chili?
Guys, depending on how far we get with this weather, how far west we get, if we end up going to the Hot Rocks, which is where I want to go, it'll take us about an hour and maybe 20 minutes. If we go to the Gull Island closure line, it's going to be about 45 minutes, so it just depends what our weather conditions like. So that's about how long a traveling time we got.
huh?
We typically fish the east edge of Santa Rosa for these trips, and it's usually a 4.5 hour ride out, 4.5 ride hour back. So that's just the way it is for these trips.
15. What about that canary right there? 2 feet, Chili? 19. 19.
What is it?
What number you said? Oh, okay. Nice catch, bro. Good one. Jake on the nice out too, man. Yeah. Grab that for me. Got you.
Woo. Still fighting.
Still fighting? Hell yeah.
Yeah, he's fighting.
Fuck yeah, put the hurt into him. I see him. Tail gone. Yeah. Is the grill still up? Looks like a canary. Oh, Chuck. Oh, right the first time. Canary. Good one. Set a little bit of line out for me. Just to put less stress on your rod. Lift up right there. Now just tilt it in sideways. Yeah. Nice one, bro. Give me some. Hell yeah. What number are you, sir?
21.
21. Man, you look like you're at least 17. Come on now.
Okay, let's see what Ty got here.
Pro that, Jay.
Oh yeah, he's proing.
Wait for the color, I think.
Well, you get color in a minute. Takes a minute on these rock fish.
Bob, do you feel this line at all? Do you feel this line
He's
at all?
been reeling for a long time. Still on the braid? Oh, there it is. All right.
Oh yeah, you got a rock on. What number was this one? Like 10.
Here we go.
Hey, you mark me on 2?
Well, we're gonna see what you got this time. See if it's got any real shoulders. Yeah.
Guys are up step. Just got a couple more minutes on here. We're gonna look for another one.
What color, Jay? Chucker?
The doubles?
One nice big back chucker.
All right. You got fish.
Shit, he gets 2.
Here. 2 for the money.
Wind up, guys. Make a shorter move.
Nice.
Wind up.
This is our last cast of the day, maybe.
Last
out
day,
here.
we finna catch some more.
I'm telling them just in case. I know one thing.
What's up?
We got fish on this one.
Fish on this.
There's fish on. Shit. Shoulders.
You on down? Here. Oh, shit. This is one good one, 2 kind of good.
On the bow.
Okay. Color?
That you?
No, that ain't me. Somebody here. Shit. He got color for me. Chucker here. Is it? Yeah. Hey, call on. We caught on. I got a red over here. Caught up with somebody with fish. Can I get some help?
Woo.
Come Help. Help.
I said, can he get some help? Ah. Woo.
About.
Huh? I don't know. Huh? Is that what? Oh shit! It's got off.
Is that shit? No. He's still on. Alright, so some color. What we got here, man? What we got?
Get a hand on the bow.
What's that? Some Picasso? Oh, it's not Picasso. Look at that big ass fucking canary, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nelson, can we get another picture?
Yeah.
What's up, brother?
I need you faster than that, bro. Been over there for a while now.
Yeah, it is, man. That's a nice one. Nestor, you got time for a picture? You busy? Yo, if you're busy or if you don't want to take the picture, you could just say so.
It's okay, I only got one thing on the grill. I got time. Get in there, man.
That's right. That's it, baby.
That's a nice
What
one.
number are we, boss?
21. Get one with me.
Oh yeah,
One for this camera.
Right here. You know how to hold them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Let me get you in the sun.
Oh,
okay?
this might. Okay, yeah. Let me turn it around. There you go.
Gotcha. Get up to $20. Hell yeah, man. Alright, took like 4 or 5 of them, man.
All right. You got it?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, in the phone.
What number again? 20?
21. See if we can get one more.
Nice ass canary, man. You put that in your own box, man. Shit. You want that belong in my box? You want some more?
Huh?
How much you need?
Oh, no, I need a strip.
Are you going to strip?
Strip, yeah. Strip and a piece. I'd rather sell that. Oh no, my piece is still on there.
You wanna come over here? Thank you, man. Oh, yeah, I think that might be good. Let me go on this.
Deckhand. Deckhand.
Oh yeah, guys.
Told you it ain't over. I knew by the way yours was going. I said, mine was nice. You saw mine?
Yeah,
I said, yours is
I
big
got
as
him
mine.
on here. We still going. I need to turn them off to save some batteries. Ooh, yeah.
Bud!
Yeah, he's hollering.
Yeah, no.
Nice.
No.
Oh, geez, what you got, ratio like 4 to 1 or something like that?
Ooh.
What number are you, boss? 22, man. Nice red.
rails, Skip. We're pretty much bit.
Whew.
It's
Man,
not that it's still biting.
water's deep. It's all day we fishing.
Deep water means
Trying
big
to-
fish,
yeah.
though, boys. We're pulling up something nice right now.
Every time. I ain't
Oh,
no
whale.
place. I'll be tired
I
tonight.
see some color. I see some color.
Oh yeah, we're taking on water.
Got two color in front of you.
Big red.
Yeah.
Big red, baby.
Nice red.
Ah. I got his cousin over here.
You guys might want to put your rod tip. Oh no, maybe not. No.
Ah.
You guys
See, man, nice red. Nice red.
Ooh, man. Cocktail.
Hold to your left, man.
That's probably what I got. Whew. Man, I'm just not getting it
23?
inside.
Looks like he's happy to see me too.
Whatever you want to talk about for that, my wife, that's what she want right there.
Oh man,
We can talk about what we look to. We can talk about what we talk about what that work, Don.
all right.
Ah. Oh shit. So that guy got doubles over there.
Huh?
Somebody got doubles.
Double.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh man, I
See
saw
color,
him
James. Oh,
lean.
James, that's nice right there.
Another yellow.
That's what I want instead
Got
of
a
red.
tangle on the bow.
That's
You got
doubles,
two
ain't it?
Doubles, Sam.
Picasso's? Yeah.
Yep.
Doubles!
Hold on, James. Let me get a picture of that right there.
Woo.
So, James, look at me.
Man, I'm burnt out.
By your feet, keep tabs, right? When I get a chance, I got a lot of fish in there. Keep tabs on so nobody else can do it.
Swing to your left, James. Look at all the fish coming up. Uncle Bud.
You want up, sir?
Oh, hold on. Okay.
You coming left or good?
Coming, hang on one sec. Keep tabs on your fish, alright, sir?
Alright.
I'm gonna leave them by your feet for right now.
Yeah, they want
Guys, if you bag your own fish, let us know. I do have to keep count so we don't go over. Fishing game has been on our ass. Checking that white cooler right there. There's bait in there. If you guys do bag them up, let us know. I need to keep count.
I'm putting these two in my bag. Hey, shit. Ain't got no. Oh, hell. Hold and gone back down
with no bait.
with no
All
bait.
right, slow down. Stop. You spider web it. Hold on.
Let it go.
Let it look. Okay. Let it go. Open it up. See if it goes slowly. Oh, you gotta slow it.
Yeah.
I can have it happen. You know? Ah, yeah. Dang, right now.
Mine, 21.
What?
21.
What?
All right. We just finished this trip off the Amigo. We had a rough day, kind of rough day. There's a lot of wind out there. Kept the fishing down. Well, they ended up giving us a half-day pass to come back. So we'll have to make it another day, but we still got some fish, some quality rockfish. That's what we ended up with. And this is James, Fishing with James. I hope you subscribe to my video. I'm signing off to you from Ventura Sport Fishing. See you later. All right.
All right.